Hello YouTube, my name is Amuli and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress latest on your operating system Windows, and this is Windows 10. It will work on Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10 and even 11. So there are a few prerequisites to install WordPress on your system and then get started with WordPress, like creating a first page, blog post, adding them to menu as well, navigation menu. So first thing first, you must have XAMPP installed, which will take care of the prerequisite on your system. XAMPP is basically a free open source cross-platform Apache MySQL or MySQL and PHP control panel that installs everything that you need to get started with PHP based frameworks and CMSs like WordPress. And once you have XAMPP installed, which you can find from, you can simply say XAMPP installed or go to apachefriends.org and you can download it for your specific operating system. This is Windows, Linux and OS X, and it gives you everything you need. So, or a similar package that gives you Apache, MariaDB, which is MySQL variant, PHP and Perl. So we need these things, three things, okay? And I already have installed it. If you haven't, it's very easy. I already have created a video. Go ahead and install it. If required, restart your system and then start this control panel. Also start Apache and MySQL. And then you can click on admin. So we will go to this MySQL admin. Okay, and then we will create a database for WordPress. So database is just okay, entry point where this WordPress will create and save your posts, pages and other features. So to download and install WordPress, we need WordPress. Okay, so to get WordPress, you simply go to wordpress.org in your preferred browser, right? And then click on get WordPress, and you can see at the moment it is 6.4.2, but whenever you click get WordPress, you'll always get latest release. It recommends 7.4 and above, MySQL or MariaDB, and that's all you need. Simply download it, and once the download is over, we will unzip it. In the meanwhile, we will create a database. So go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. Make sure you have XAMPP controller and you have started MySQL and Apache. So click new, and then I'm going to say WP64. Make sure you do not have that database here. UTF-8 MB4 general CI create. You can see database is created. Okay, so on my system, that's the database, and all the databases have a very common username which is called root. So DB username is root, DB name is WP64, and I also have a password, which is password. So this might not be set up on your system, but you want to set it up. which is not required at all. You just need to know the username if you're using that. So you can see, I think it is already installed, sorry, downloaded, and it is a bit slower. Okay, once it is downloaded, WordPress is downloaded on your Windows 10 operating system, or 11 or 7 or 8, you simply locate wherever it is. Okay, in my case this is in the downloads folder. In most cases it is going to be in the downloads folder. Also, I'm using 7-zip to extract it. If you do not have 7-zip or any unzipper, you can simply click extract all. I'm going to click put my cursor on 7-zip and say extract to WordPress 6.4.2. You can also get 7-zip from 7zip.org. You can see here, same, yeah, 7-zip.org. So it's completely free, lightweight, awesome stuff. Okay, here we go, and we are in the process of extracting this to this folder. Okay, so when you extract it, it keeps everything in this folder, which is again WordPress, and we need to move it to this PC, and wherever your XMP is installed, then you go to htdocs and you can simply copy paste your WordPress extracted folder in that particular folder. Install.php, and here we have WordPress. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one and then go to my this PC, C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and paste over in this folder by pressing Ctrl V, which you see it just got here, and then we will rename it and you are done. Okay. It is really slow, so I'm doing this with GUI, otherwise I simply do with this PowerShell, or I can use wget on bash, which is basically subsystem WSL on Windows. Okay guys, done. Now I'm going to rename it for simplicity and make it unique. So WP64. That's the folder name that you need to access from localhost. So now you can simply go, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll go to localhost WP64. So that's the folder name. You simply have to put your folder name, let's go to slash on localhost, which is going to be this. All right, so we got this running. Now we need to select the language. Okay, default language. So I selected English and then click continue. It is asking for database name, database user, past and host name, table prefix, 5 things. So let's click, let's go. Database name, if you remember, WP64, username is root, so localhost is the database host. You can change this one, but I'm going to keep as it is. Submit. Run installation. That's the step 2. And we are done. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to select title of the website 64 WP64 because I've got many, so I just map with this my folder name. So email. All right. Okay, you also need to confirm it that you are using a weak password and run the installation. Okay, so remember the username and the password. Thank you guys. So you can see you can log in and the installation was success. You simply have to say, type in the username of your WordPress 64 and we are in the WordPress. So this is how you can download and install WordPress on your operating system, Windows operating system. Now let's quickly go ahead and view this on the home page. So this is how it looks in 2014 with 2014 theme. And the most important thing is we can go ahead and create our blog post and pages. Okay, and then also we can go ahead and check our menu. So this is basically a block editor based theme, block based theme that you can see here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here and you can see this is a page. So to create a page, you simply put your cursor on pages and then add new page or add new page here. So now I'm going to create a page that is going to be blog and publish it. This is where our blogs will be available. The second thing we need, I'm really sorry. The second thing we need, I'll go to dashboard again. And you can see under pages, we have blog now. You can add one more, which is going to be home page and then some content over here. You can see you can take some content from here or wherever you wish and put in this. Okay, so that's my home page published. I'm going to close everything, go back to dashboard again, and you can see we got home page, blog page. Now to create a post, you simply go to post and then you can view all the posts. Add a new post. Our awesome first post. And then you can also add images from here. featured image, and we do not have any, so we can select one. I'm going to select this one. Very simple one. Okay, we got our post. You can also add category. We haven't created any category. You can create a category from here. That's going to be WordPress. That's got selected. You can publish it, and it's published. Okay. So now let's move on to the home page, and this is how you can see everything has added to this theme automatically. Now you can go to edit site. Okay, this is blog home header. It's just trying to load things up. You can put this cursor here, your cursor here. You can click on edit page list. Now you can basically do this thing, blog post sample, and say save. And this is how this simplest theme works, which is 2014. Now if you click here about us, this link has not been yet created. Okay, so if you go to blog post, you don't see anything here. So what we need to do, we need to get into themes and put our stuff on the blog. As you can see, this is our home page, which is home page and career. So in this video, guys, this is how you can install WordPress, download and install WordPress, create pages and posts. And let me quickly show you how you can switch the theme. So you can go to appearance and themes, and you can take a old theme which is not a blog page. So 2022, you can activate it. You can search for new themes by clicking here, and your theme just got activated, the new theme. Okay, this is also a blog based theme, so I'm going to add a classic theme so you can sort of start doing stuff. Okay, so I'll go with this generate press. It's a very old and popular classic theme, and it gives you very robust framework, so we can go ahead and activate it. Now you can visit the theme, and you got this blog homepage. So what we can do, we can go to customize, and select our homepage setting. Go to home static page. Homepage is going to be homepage. Post page is going to be blog post. And now it's going to be very simple. You can also go ahead and go to menu, primary menu. So instead of doing the sort of managing your menu from here, you can go to dashboard, appearance, menu, but this is only available in this what you call classic theme. This looks okay, but we haven't created any menu yet. So first of all, menu, and simply say create menu. This is primary, and save menu. Okay guys, now we can go ahead and check it. This is home page, this is your blog post. And if you don't like this slug, you can go to dashboard, settings, permalinks, post name. And you got it up here. So home page, blog post, very clean permalink. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is how you can download, install WordPress, create a page, blog post, and also sort of manage your menu links. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.